Hold on tight, folks. The stock market is gearing up for a roller coaster ride. We're at the cusp of a thrilling week with the Federal Reserve's two-day meeting kicking off. The world is watching with bated breath as decisions made here could sway the pendulum for interest rates. If that wasn't enough to keep you on the edge, we also have the April jobs report on the horizon. This report often serves as a litmus test for the economy's health, and this time will be no different. But what truly sets the stage for a roller coaster ride is the earnings season. A staggering 175 S&P 500 companies are all set to reveal their cards this week. Yes, you heard it right, 175. So buckle up as we dive into the highs and lows, the ups and downs of this financial thrill ride. Among them, Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is causing a stir in the semiconductor world. This tech titan is not just any player. It's locked in a fierce competition with NVIDIA, a rivalry akin to the legendary feud between the Hatfields and McCoys, but in the realm of microchips and processors. The battlefield, market dominance. As the two giants vie for supremacy, Wall Street watches with bated breath. AMD is not backing down, though, far from it. The company is expected to report strong earnings, thanks to its secret weapon, the MI300X graphics processing unit. This powerhouse of a chip, coupled with AMD's robust performance in data centers and client segments, is the key to their success. Analysts are keenly watching, ready to dissect every bit of data that comes their way. So what's the verdict? Analysts expect AMD to report strong earnings, fueled by its MI300X graphics processing unit and robust performance in data centers and client segments. Despite mixed conditions, analysts remain optimistic about AMD's long-term prospects. This optimism is largely driven by AMD's strong product portfolio and its potential to gain market share in the highly competitive semiconductor industry. You'll hear phrases like battleground stock and market dominance thrown around. These aren't just buzzwords. They're a reflection of the high-stakes game AMD is playing in the tech sector, where big wins can lead to significant stock price appreciation. One analyst we spoke to cited AMD's latest graphics processing unit, the MI300X, as a key competitive advantage. This powerhouse of a GPU has been turning heads in the industry, and its performance could be a major factor in AMD's earnings report. But it's not all about the hardware. Analysts also highlight AMD's performance in data centers and client segments as a significant growth driver. The company's CEO, Lisa Su, confirms this, stating that they're seeing significant growth in these areas. When it comes to stock price targets, you'll find a range of opinions. But one thing most analysts agree on is the potential for growth. One analyst maintains a buy rating on AMD with a price target of $195 per share. That's a hefty vote of confidence in the company's potential, but the road ahead isn't without its bumps. The semiconductor industry is notoriously volatile, and AMD is not immune to its ups and downs. There are challenges to overcome, including the ongoing battle with NVIDIA for market dominance and the ever-present threat of supply chain disruptions. However, these challenges aren't deterring the analysts. They remain bullish on AMD's prospects, driven by the company's strong product lineup and its potential to gain market share. As one analyst put it, while challenges persist, we expect continued strength in the server market to drive growth. So there you have it. The analysts have weighed in, and the outlook for AMD looks promising. Stay tuned as we continue to track this fascinating story of tech industry competition, innovation, and hopefully growth. Get ready for an in-depth analysis of AMD's earnings report and its impact on the semiconductor industry. The semiconductor world is abuzz with anticipation as AMD gears up for its earnings report. With the spotlight on its MI300X graphics processing unit and the robust performance in data centers and client segments, analysts are eager to see how the company will fare. Despite a challenging market, the general consensus among analysts is optimism about AMD's long-term prospects. Analysts are particularly bullish about the potential growth in the server market, which they anticipate will drive AMD's growth. As we navigate the roller coaster ride that is the stock market, following these developments closely will be key. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the best way to strategize for success. Stay tuned for more updates on AMD and the semiconductor industry. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights.